Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the ear pads on your headphones. As you can see, mine are completely damaged. All the leather or like synthetic leather is peeling off and you can see the foam inside. So I'm going to be showing you how you can replace these. It works for pretty much all types of headphones. These particular ones are Sony DR-BTN200s, but this will work for many Sonys and many other ones as well. So first thing we're going to do is take a look at the new pads that we've got. For these ear pads I ordered off Amazon. They're 70mm in size for my particular headphones. So I'm just going to take them out of the package, double check and make sure that they're okay, there's no damage to them, and just double check and make sure that they're the right size for my headphones. Sometimes you can get discrepancies, one might be a bit too small or too big. So just double check, measure them and make sure that they're the correct size for your particular headphones. So there you can see the difference with brand new ones and having the old ones. So now let's get around to removing the old ones off your headphones. So here I'm pointing out the seam. That's basically a seam in which the actual ear pad sits into. So you basically want to pull the ear pad out of that seam, as you can see. So the ear pads itself have basically a flap of material which sits inside that gap or seam. So you're going to work your way around to just remove the old ones. Some headphones do have adhesive, so you just want to check online or have a look at what yours have. If they do have an adhesive, then you might need to use some kind of pry tool to remove it. My particular ones don't have any adhesive. Most Sonys don't, but I do know some Beats, they have an adhesive, so you have to double check how to remove those. There we go, we've got that removed. And you can see that's the surface on which we're going to put the new one. So I've done the one side. I thought I'd just give it a test with one, make sure it goes on properly. You can see it's sat on. It looks really good. It looks basically brand new. So now I'm going to show you how to get the other one on. This is a great way to freshen up your headphones. So here what you want to do is just slide the flap of the material inside that groove, and you want to work your way around. So you want to, once you slide one portion in, hold it with your finger, and you want to work your way around to slide the rest of it into the groove. Then what you want to do is, once you've got like a quarter of it in, you want to actually rotate the ear pad and push the rest of it in, instead of having to move the headphones around. That way it'll make it a lot easier. Also, as you rotate it, it'll kind of work like a screw and a spiral and cause itself to like go into the gap. You just basically want to pull it. They're quite stretchy. If yours aren't that stretchy, then you can basically warm them up under a heater. It'll make them a little bit more malleable. But these ones are pretty stretchy, so I'm able to pull it over. So you're just going to work your way around, ensure that you're holding the areas. Then here, this will be the last bit. So a tiny little bit left. You just want to get your finger underneath and just give it a pull, and you should be able to pull it out like so. Then you just push it into the seam. Then that's it, it's basically all done. So now what you want to do is just rotate it. That'll just help to center it, to make sure the material's not pulling in a certain way, and there you go. So you can see it's completely transformed the look of the headphones, and obviously their function as well. You're not going to have bits of black leather or plastic all over your ears or all over your workspace or your desk or wherever you're using your headphones. And you can see they look basically brand new, and it's amazing how like a lot of people, they'll throw their headphones out when really they could just replace it. So definitely look into replacing yours. You can see the difference there. It's night and day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Here's a little bit of a picture for comparison. But yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.